Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Morbid Team Entertainment. For my first experimental horror film, it is definitely becoming a religious experience for me to create. Each day I'm finding more and more parts of the script to tweak, adding new things to the subject matter as well as props. I suppose if you would be filming for someone else, it would be a different situation. But I'm really not sure. I do know about the one I'm working on that's my own work, my own time, and my own creativity. It is definitely turning into such a extreme piece of work that will definitely upset many and make many happy at the same time due to the subject matter here again. So I'm really looking forward to getting this started in 2021. The total film date is of course in 2023, which is why I plan this out. It's always best to do that, in my opinion. Take longer the better. But there are so many different more things to add to this. I'm finding new ideas that pop into my mind each day and night. And I'm really glad that I'm taking so long to do so. And it's really amazing of how much I believe the importance of this film that I'm making, and that's why I stress importance is the way to go. I really deeply, profoundly believe in this film that I'm making and the subject matter of it. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, join our barter buy and sell group, and join the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.